today we're making stuffed leaves.
Yeah, we're going to make stuffed leaves today. Good evening, everyone. We said we're going to use colored green just because this is so good for you, so nutritious, and many times probably when you at the grocery store, you probably are thinking, how would I use it? What I would do with it. And today I'm going to show you how to make stuffed leaves using those leaves. What I did already,
Wow, nice cake.
I already rinsed all of my leaves, color green leaves. I rinsed them, and then I put them in a water, boiling water. This way they're going to be little softer. So what I'm going to do right now, I will go ahead, take them out of from the container. I'm going to put it in a strainer and let the water drain. So, thank you.
What are we gonna do now?
Let's show everyone ingredients. So what we have in here, Araya?
We have rice.
So yeah, we have rice. We are using a Basmati rice. You can use any rice you want to use.
And we can use brown rice.
I thinking according.
Ooh, my favorite, and it's chickpeas. I love chickpeas.
I know, but I'm not talking about chickpeas right now.
I need rice.
I'm talking about how much rice did we put in our bowl. So we use this cup. It looks like we have at least 1.5 cup of this kind of cup now in a bowl. Also, we have chickpeas. So we have 1/2 of chickpeas. I don't think you need more than that.
Yeah,
This is
more
what
than that, because it's nice, it's good, and that's all we need. So.
That's right. Going to be our protein, and chickpeas also.
Chickpeas only
So good for you, and I know who loves them. I know who loves them.
Me.
Of course.
And everyone likes chickpeas.
Yeah. Not everyone loves chickpeas, but it is a lot of people do. Okay, now what else?
We have some tomatoes.
We have 1 tomato. We cut it into small pieces.
We cut it into small pieces because we want them to be small, right?
Exactly. And
we have onions.
Onions, so we have a big onion. We're going to cook until it's soft and nice, and we don't want to really overburn this. What else, Araya? Any guess? What else?
I gotta guess.
What is
Spinach.
it? Yeah, we're going to add spinach with our mixture. However, you can use any green you want, like for instance, dill or parsley, maybe cilantro. We're using spinach, and I think that I love spinach too.
I do.
It is so good for you. Okay,
Wait, anybody else doesn't like spinach?
in here at school, nobody likes them.
No.
Maybe a teacher likes them. Okay, let's do it. To fry my onions, I will use olive oil. 2 tablespoons. We'll put it in now. Put that up and let it cook for until it's nice and soft. It probably is going to take about 10 minutes because, again, we don't want to overburn this. We don't want to bring this bitter taste to our stuffed leaves. Because it's going to change taste completely. It's on very small heat. Araya just put spinach,
And tomatoes.
tomatoes in a bowl, and we have about 2 cups of spinach and 1
Cup of tomatoes.
tomatoes cut into
Pieces.
very small pieces. Then we use
Chickpeas.
we mash chickpeas, 1/2 cup of chickpeas with fork. We need to add a little bit of olive oil, about this kind of spoon, a little ladle. Okay.
Am I doing
So
it?
I'm thinking maybe there will be 2 tablespoons in this little spoon.
1.
Okay. All right. That's plenty. That's plenty. And we also going to add apple cider vinegar with it. I really love this soury taste of grape leaves. There's going to be green colored leaves, but they're going to be very similar in taste. And this is what I think that's the reason why I love those grape leaves, because of this acidity taste. I just love it. Okay. So I don't know, Araya is busy now, so I will add, unless Araya will come and help me with this. But she's about to fall from the chair. Okay, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
She's so thirsty. What did she eat today? So we're adding apple cider vinegar. So let's be generous here.
3. That's all I
One
need.
dose, I don't know, that's probably 1 teaspoon of it.
That's a me.
So 2 teaspoons.
Me. I'm gonna tell the teacher what you say. And I teach you what you say.
And 1 more.
2.
Okay, good. And this is not everything yet in our mixture. That's why we're going to add a little bit more things with it.
Mama.
So Araya, we have smoked paprika leftovers, and hi, Mama's here. Mama's here. And
Give my shoe, bro. What? Oh, hey, Jason.
And Araya is going to actually add those leftovers because we don't have a lot of left. Just a little bit. I think we have about.
A lot.
My
The
Jaguars should have had
It's
that.
like about 1 teaspoon of it.
Just all of
Yes, yes, please. Yes, please. Okay, very good. So, what was it again, Araya?
Smoked paprika.
All right. A little bit of basil. Okay.
What is that?
This is dry basil. So Araya, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon.
Stop. Mix.
A little bit of garlic. Let's do like 1/2 of bless you, 1/2 of a tablespoon. What else we have left? Okay, what's that? Oregano.
Oregano.
Okay. Just 1/2 tablespoon. Okay, and pepper. Let's do 1/2 teaspoon.
Mariah had it on the show.
And I think we're missing something. Oh, we're missing a little bit of salt. Yeah, a little bit salt. So I said 4 teaspoon of salt. We're using iodized salt today. Okay, Araya, and Araya is going to, or Arunia is going to combine all the ingredients now. And Babcha is going to check on onions. Okay, so I'm supposed to watch the onions, and I burn them a little bit. Hopefully that won't happen to you. make sure to watch them. We got so involved that we forgot to watch the onions, Araya.
Yeah. And we're
Now they're going to be all right. But if they so much burn, the taste of the mixture would be very, very bitter. So we want to avoid this. Now we need to add one more ingredient.
One more ingredient. I can't wait.
Okay, I will do it. Okay, so again the onions, a little bit, we forgot about them, and they a little bit got, maybe I can say they got a little bit more color than they're supposed to, but that's okay. Look at this beauty so far.
So far, so good.
I'm going to take care of our leaves. So I will use the little one first. So we need to cut off the stem from them. So that will be easy. And this one is still has it's a kind of hard in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use the measuring cup to flatten them. I'm going to just kind of beat it up.
You're gonna beat it up?
I'm going to beat them. Okay, there you go. I'm going to put it in a baking pan. Actually, I'm going to organize them in a glass bowl. My partner just left home. She has a school tomorrow, so I'm going to finish all by myself. Which is okay. She'll be back. She always comes. Okay, so let me just start doing this. So I will put 1 teaspoon of my filling in the center of the leaf. Okay, and I will go ahead and start rolling that a little bit, and then fold each edge and roll it again. Okay, so I have one, and I'm going to organize it in the glass bowl before I, again, as I said it before, organize them in the baking pan. Okay, so first I'm going to use all the little ones. I have this one here now, and I will cut off the stem from it. Okay, and okay, flip it, and again beat it with the measuring cup. But because they little hard, so that is going to cook better if I do it. Okay, cool. And then again I will put one tablespoon, this kind of tablespoon of filling in the center of it. Okay, and start rolling that and fold it on the edges and roll it again. Okay. Okay, so again, putting 1 tablespoon of filling in the center of the leaf, and I will go ahead, roll it a little bit, and then fold both edges of leaf and roll it again. Okay.
There you go.
You how to approach the big leaf. So what you do, again, you will cut off its stem and you will simply cut the leaf in half, okay? And that should be great size to create one little leaf, stuffed leaf. So now, again, you just gotta beat it with your tool, so it would cook better. And okay, I'm going to again put 1 tablespoon of filling in the center. Okay, roll it, fold the both edges of my leaf, and roll it again. So I wanted to show you a different way of dealing with my stem. So first, you, as with the other ones, you just cut it off. You also can kind of cut him. Oh God, no, when I cut him, you know, instead of beat him, and that going to help. Okay, and then I also show you another way of rolling them. So I'm going to put filling in the center, and what I'm going to do, I will go ahead and fold first the 2 edges of the leaf, and then a little bit, this one is a little bit, okay, fold both edges of it, and go have a roll it. And if that is going to be easier for you to do it, do this way. Finish my last one, and what I'm going to do right now, I will pour in a little bit of olive oil on the bottom of my casserole dish. All right, so just cover the bottom of my casserole dish, okay? And then what I'm going to do, if you remember in the beginning of my show, I said that I love so much the acidy taste of the grape leaves. So to bring this a little bit more soury taste, I will just slice lemons and place it on the bottom of my casserole dish. We'll organize slices of my lemon on bottom of my casserole dish. Now I need to arrange my grape leaves. Leaves I just created. This one here. They different sizes, but it doesn't bother me. I will try to feed them all, see what is going to happen. Maybe it will happen. Maybe I won't need to use another dish, baking dish. If I can do 2 layers of it. I have a feeling it's going to work well for only one dish. So far so good. And yay, I will be able to place all of them in one dish. I am so excited. Wow, this is great. Mission accomplished. All right, and let me show you how that looks like now. It's looking great. Look at this beauty. Wow. It's gonna be great dish. Cannot wait to eat it. Well, there's the last thing I have to do. That's mean I will have to prepare some kind of liquid in which my stuff collards green going to cook. For this, I save liquid. Remember, in the beginning of the show, I soak my collard greens in a salty water, and I will use the water as a liquid in order for my stuffed collard green to cook. Okay, might not use all of it. Good valuable liquid, and add it to about 2 tablespoons of olive oil with it, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and a little bit of lemon, salt and pepper, and also a little bit of sugar with it. You could, probably the better choice is agave or maple syrup. Unfortunately, I didn't have it at home, so therefore I use sugar, white sugar, and just to bring a little bit of sweetness into my liquid. Anyways, I thought I'd show you, but the second time camera turned off on me, and I didn't know it yet. So that's why I have to tell you, and I apologize for this. Anyways, I have my stuff collards green in front of me, and I will cover this up with a lid, put in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit, and I will cook him. I'm thinking at least 45 minutes to an hour, or until they're nice and soft. So I will see you when they're ready. Welcome back, and let's see how my stuffed collard greens look like. Okay, let's open. Ooh, beautiful. I will go ahead, transfer them onto the plate. It's wow, beautiful. Little ones and bigger ones. Wow. I could flip them, but I think it's a little bit of liquid on the bottom of my casserole there, so I won't do it. Yeah. There's something there. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful looking. Whew. Beautiful looking. Color's green. Wow. Leaves, that's what I'm supposed to say. Stuff, color green. Leaves. Wow. This is great. This is great. Wow. I am so excited. Look at this. Beauties. Wow. The best time of the cooking show. I am so excited. Yay! Okay, let's start with one. You know, I'm going to use my hands, if you don't mind. Wow. This is it. Wow. I see some jealous people here. It's so good. As I said in the beginning of my show, that's, you know, the acidity taste, the soury taste of the just beautiful thing which is on my plate. Wow. Brings a lot into the overall, wow, overall product. This is absolutely stunning. If you like my recipe, give me a like. You can comment about this, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and go vegan for animals. I will see you next time in my new video, and have a good night, everyone. Bye.